Peace, family. Will Roundtree here with today's Words with Will. And today's word is going to be, let's quit competing with everyone else. See, the only person you should be competing with is the person who you were yesterday or a week ago or even last year. See, every day we continue to want to get better, but then we find ourselves trying to compare ourselves to someone who's been in the game that much longer. See, it's a bit unfair for someone who's just starting off today in whatever journey, whatever walk of life you're in, to compare themselves to somebody who's been in the game 5 years, 2 years, 10 years, or whatever the case may be. See, we often like to try to compare ourselves. We look and see, and we don't see the work that someone else has already put in. Someone could have been in their journey or their walk 15 years before they seen a glimmer of success, a glimmer of hope, a glimmer of freedom, or whatever one is aspiring for. So we have to stop comparing our chapter 1 to someone's chapter 15. See, we often are competing with others because, I get it, sometimes it's the level of competitiveness in us. We're looking to set that barometer. But then I also believe that it causes for us to have distractions, because we may be like, well, how does that person get to do what they're doing? How did they get to that point? Or how can I get there? Not knowing that they've been in the battlefield for 10 plus years. They've received tons of rejection. They had loss of money, loss of sleep, loss of friends, loss of relationships, all these things that will happen throughout any walk or any journey that you're going on. So, I urge you, to just stay focused on whatever walk you're on. Eliminate the distractions. When it comes to achieving your goals, you must have tunnel vision and just lock in like that sniper, aiming at their target. So whatever goals you have, remember, just your only competition should be you in comparing who you were yesterday. So family, I hope these words were encouragement for you. Again, this is Will Roundtree, and if you have not done so, make sure you go out and pick up my latest copy of my new book, Full-Time CEO, The Shit They Don't Tell You, where you can pick it up on Amazon, Lulu.com, and as well as on my personal website, willroundtree.com. All right, family, I appreciate you, and continue to follow my journey. See you at the top.